I'm Mark Baxter with US Products, and I'd like to introduce you to the Cobra 8.0. The Cobra 8.0 is an 8-gallon solution, 8-gallon recovery. It has a 220 psi pump and dual 2-stage vacuum motors ran in series. We have an 1.5-inch vacuum inlet along with the drain gate located in the front. Fill port for the solution tank is located on the back side and back of the switch plate here. And on the switch plate we have vac 1, vac 2, pump, and heat. The unit has the dual 2-stage vacuum motors ran in series. So dual 2 stages in series with a muffler leading out to the exhaust port. This unit will produce around 145 inches of lift and around 110 CFM. We also have the 220 psi pump located in the base, and then on the back side we have the inline heater, which is 1750 watts. On the back side of the unit, we have the cord wrap. The unit comes with two 12-3 25-foot power cords. We have the 2 pigtails located here. We have air inlets located on the back side and also on the side here. The Cobra 8.0 is a perfect unit for the auto detail industry and also can be used by the professional cleaner. Thank you.